Hello, hi, welcome and welcome back. I'm so excited for today's video. Today is actually going to be my first BoxyCharm unboxing, which I'm super excited for because I just signed up for this monthly subscription box, and so I'm actually really excited. This is actually May's box, not June's, just because I signed up late, so they still sent me May's, which was actually really cool. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. Let's start unboxing. Okay, so when I open this up, I first see this little pamphlet thing, and it says, oh, I almost dropped it. It says Make Waves BoxyCharm. And then it lists all the products that are going to be in it. So let's get started with what is in here. And the first thing that I see is this, which is the Pur Pro Eyelash Curler. It says you're about to take your lashes to new lengths, literally. Prep lashes for a coat of your favorite mascara with your new Pur Eyelash Curler. Instantly perk up each individual lash for a look you will love. Well, unfortunately, I can't really use this because I just got lash extensions on for work, which I just came back from. But, oh, this is like really hard to like curl. Like, this is the one from Pure that we just got, which is like, oh, really hard. And this one is my Kevin Aquan one, which is really dirty right now, but it's like super easy to just, this one is like, you have to like have muscles for this. Okay, and so this curler goes for $18. This is $18? Like, why? Whatever. Okay. So then the next thing that I see in here is this Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow from Ciate, London. It says it's a metallic eyeshadow. Let's see on here. Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. Your new Ciate London's Eye Luster will help you create long-lasting shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic glittering liquid shadow can be wiped down for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over an eyeshadow as a topper. And this is $22. And it looks like mine's like open. I don't know. Okay, oh, this is pretty. It's like a white eyeshadow with like white and silver flecks in it. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. So I'm going to swatch this for you guys. It feels like that's really big. Okay, whatever. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's literally like glitter, and it looks like blue and purple reflex in it. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. It's more on the like sheer side of an actual eyeshadow, but like with the light, when you catch that light, oh my gosh, like look up, like. Okay, the next thing I see is Luna by Luna, and this is a lip gloss. It says, prepare for an why can't I speak? Prepare for an expertly pigmented lip gloss that delivers high shine with long-lasting color while delivering the look of fuller lips. Not mad about it. This non-sticky gloss formula applies on smoothly and won't drip. Drip? I don't think I've ever had a lip gloss drip. I like this one that I'm wearing. It's the Buxom lip glosses. Okay, so this is what the gloss looks like. The packaging is super, super cute. I'm liking the stars. If you look really close in it, I don't know if you guys can tell in the camera, but there's like gold reflex, like glitters in it. I'm gonna swatch this really quick. Oh, it's like, I don't know what it looks more brown in person, I feel like, and then on camera it's looking more like peach, but I don't know. I think that it looks peachy to you guys, and you can't really see the glitter in it, which I don't mind because I don't like when you can feel the glitter on your lips, but I definitely think I would wear this. It definitely looks more browny peach in person, but I'm liking the colors, so I'm not mad about it. Okay, Luna by Luna, and I've actually never heard of this brand, so that's why this is really cool. It's in the shade Venus, so if you guys are interested in that. And this runs for $18. I think I said that, I'm not sure. $18 though. Cool. Next, what I see is Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. Look at that packaging. Oh my goodness. Wow, and this is really big. 5 ounces. Condition, deep cleanse, face makeup removal. Wow, and I could probably use this to like clean my beauty blenders too, honestly, because I need more stuff to clean my beauty. Oh my gosh. My beauty blenders. I don't even finish my sentences. I can't. So let's see what this says. Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. Gentle but make it bubbly. The daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. Soap fragrance and SLES free. All skin types approved. And this runs for $28. Wow. That's actually a really good deal. So it's just a face cleanser, and it's big. Like, that is a good size, especially for a BoxyCharm box. That is crazy. Doesn't smell like anything to me right now. I'm gonna put it on here so you guys can see kind of like the consistency of it. So this is the consistency of it. It's really, like it said, gel-like, but also I feel like it feels like lotiony. Oh, I just touched my nose. And they're right when it says it smells like soap. It smells like a hand soap, kind of like an unscented hand soap. Like, it's not supposed to be scented, but like it has that scent, if you know what I mean. If you know what I mean, I don't know. But it feels nice, not mad about it. Smells good. I'll have to try it out. Okay, and the last thing I have in here is this Milk Makeup Luminous Blur Stick. Luminous Blur Stick. Okay. Your new Milk Makeup Blur Stick is a lightweight silicone-free matte primer stick that minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines with powder-filled blurring microspheres. Blur Stick smooth, velvety formula goes on clear to create a flawless, shine-free canvas that helps make makeup look better and last longer. And this retails for $36. I feel like that's a lot of claims, especially for something luminous. I don't know how that can minimize the look of pores, so I'm kind of intrigued. I have tried Milk Makeup's Hydro Stick, which I actually really liked, but it dried out super fast, so I wasn't really a big fan of that, and it kind of smelled weird, so I'm hoping this doesn't smell weird. I don't know if you guys can tell, maybe like right there, when I bend my arm, it is luminous. You can see the luminous, can see the luminosity. Don't know what that, okay, just whatever. Anyway, this does smooth out my skin. I'm not sure if it blurs the pores actually. I'm not minding that it does have luminosity in it because I'm really getting into that luminous skin look. I think it looks beautiful on all skin types and all skin tones, and I just think that it is such a pretty like way for your skin to sit with the makeup. I don't know, but I'm gonna test this out and try it as a primer. And just kind of see if I like it. Okay, so for the 5 products that I received, all full size, it was a total of $122, which I think is an insane deal just because you are only paying $21 a month, which is really cool and really nice because you get to try out different brands that you haven't tried before. This was my first BoxyCharm, so I feel like it was a hit for me just because like I get to try all these different brands I've never tried before, and also you get like full sizes of everything that you receive in the box, which is just crazy to me for such a low price that you're paying. So for me, this was a hit. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Hope you liked seeing what I received. Let me know what you guys received if you received BoxyCharm. Yeah. Please like and subscribe this video. More content coming soon. And I'm so excited for what the future holds. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.